All right, now Arzu, in fact, as we are learning more updates and details, visuals continue to emerge out of the massive protest in Nepal. Protests have once again taken a violent turn, with protesters being seen pelting stones at police vehicle. Security has been tightened in the capital city, where indefinite curfew has been imposed, while drone visuals also coming in from Kathmandu showing rather airy image, with roads empty, with only some protesters and armed force going out. There has been increased deployment of the forces in the Kathmandu as well. India has monitored the situation, and MEA has also released a statement. Only protesters and armed forces on Nepal's road is what we learn at this point of time. Under the Gen Z banner, the protest has turned violent. Arzu Seth joins us and shares more details.
Well, Simran, as we see, the situation is getting tense and worse as even after the government has announced the lifting of the ban on the social media platform, the protesters are still on the streets, and we can clearly see in the visuals how the protesters are pelting stones on the roads, on the vehicles of the police forces, and also there was stone pelting incident reported at the several places of the Kathmandu as the protesters clashed with the security forces. Also, the visuals are coming in, and that shows the tense face-off between the protesters and the heavy police that are deployed in the area. And also we can clearly see no other person can be seen on the roads. The entire curfew is in the place. Only the protesters and heavy police deployment is being seen in the Kathmandu area and the nearby areas, where the protesters are raising their voice against the alleged corruption within the government, and also the banning of the social media platforms. So even after the announcement, the protesters are not ready to understand, and still the protest is continuous going on. And the MEA has also in fact issued a statement regarding the situation, that they're keeping a close eye on the situation, and also urge the Indians in the Nepal to be cautious and to remain alert regarding this situation. Yes, Simran.
Absolutely.